Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. Today we're going to do something pretty cool. We're going to do some beef roll-ups on the Weber Kettle. We will be using the BBQ Vortex. So y'all stick around. I'll meet y'all by the cutting board. Alright, we got the Weber getting hot out there. Today we're going to be using some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Y'all go get you some of that. UncleSteveShakes.com. Alright, we got some top sirloin. It was already kind of thin sliced, and I sliced it again and I took and hammered it out a little bit. I got some assorted peppers, bell pepper, onion there, and we're also going to be using a little bit of pepper jack cheese fresh out the bag and a little bit of provolone fresh out the bag. So alright gang, first thing we're going to do, hit this with some Uncle Steve's shake, and we're going to do both sides of it, and then we're going to start putting our little goodies in there. So let me get this seasoned up, y'all, and I'll meet y'all right back when we're ready to throw our goodies on the inside. Alright y'all, we got that done, and all we're going to do, we're not going to overdo it this time. I'm going to put just a little onion in here, and I just kind of coarsely chopped up this little stuff, so just a little bit of everything for a little color, There we go. Kind of spread her out there, and we'll do a little piece of pepper jack like that, and a little piece of provolone like that. Now we're just gonna roll it up, guys, just like that. Like I say, we didn't overdo it this time. Hey, I did good. Look at that. All right, there you go, man. There you go, like that, guys. All right, so let me get the rest of these done, and I'll meet y'all back here in just a minute. We ended up with 9 little beef roll-ups. Grill ought to be hot. I'll meet y'all out there by the Weber. We are ready to put these dudes on. We're gonna set them on the outskirts all the way around. Alright. And we're also gonna put a little block of hickory right in the middle there. We're gonna let that rip for a while, so we'll come back check on in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes or so. Look at my vents. They are about maybe halfway open. This temp on this thing is running 450. I mean, the heat this thing generates and concentrates is just outstanding, y'all. Let's see how we're looking. Ooh, look at that. We got us some pepper jack sausage. Oh, that's looking good, y'all. 140. 140. We're gonna pull these off of here and let them get inside and rest. I did get some garlic bread ready. I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. This thing is screaming, so just put it around the outside here. Oh, as hot as this thing is, we're gonna probably go about 7 minutes, so we'll put it on and let it go about 7 minutes. We'll be back to check it. All right, y'all, we're about 7 minutes in, nice and toasty. And this is how I did them last time. So you can smash it down just a little bit. And as hot as that dude is, look at that smoke, man. It don't take long. See there? I mean, that dude is screaming hot. There you go. Alright, gang, let me get these other two knocked out right quick, and now I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, these things been setting for a second. We got our garlic bread pulled off. Alright, y'all, let's see. I'm gonna grab one of these big ones. Like this big dude right here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's got meat in there. Looks nice, huh? Alright. Let's cut us a piece there. And again, look at there. Beef roll up, y'all. Y'all come up here, let's get a bite. See how we did. Cheers to you. Nice smoke flavor. My peppers and onions are not soggy, just a little cooked, but a little al dente. I like that. I like that a lot. And Uncle Steve's smoke bomb is smoking. Good stuff, y'all. Great flavor. Alright. Oh yeah, that'll eat for sure. Alright everybody, appreciate y'all stopping by. We're going to play it up. I'll get y'all a couple of picks. And we'll see y'all next weekend. Bye-bye.